Is your Chevy Traverse backup camera dead or missing, and you need to find a professional installation service near you? Statistics show that most backup camera issues on the Traverse are related to wiring corrosion rather than a failed lens. Before you call a shop, let's look at why your camera might be failing. Always start by cleaning the lens and checking your fuses, as these simple steps can save you a trip to the shop. If you see a flickering screen or complete blackout, it is likely a module or hardware failure requiring expert service. For installation, look for local car audio shops or certified dealerships that specialize in automotive electrical systems. While DIY is cheaper, professional installation ensures you don't damage your interior trim and provides a warranty on the labor. Expect to pay more for labor than parts, as accessing the Traverse camera requires removing tailgate trim panels. When calling for service, ask if they have experience with Chevy electrical systems and always test the camera before leaving the shop. If you decide to try a light repair yourself, keep these basic tools on hand to prevent damaging your plastic trim. Remember that your safety is the priority, so if you're not comfortable with wiring, please call a professional. Thanks for watching. Check your local listings for certified shops and get that camera back in action today.